Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Well, today I'm doing a little experiment with my Princess House immersion blender. I'm trying to see if this device is powerful enough to shred my cheese. And this is cheese that is hard as a rock. So let me show you the cheese pieces. So this is cheese that my mom brought from Mexico. So it was like a rectangle. Um, it's called queso fresco. And I don't like the taste of queso fresco. So what I do is I dry out my cheese until it's as hard as a rock, and then I like to shred it. So I wanted to see if this device can break apart my cheese, so I'm going to find out. So I'm putting in 3 pieces because I'm afraid that it's gonna break it, and I don't want to break it. So let's see what this thing can do. So this device has 2 buttons. One is turbo and one is the power button. So I'm gonna start with just the regular power button and see what it does. Wow, it is powerful. So as you can see, it really shredded it. So I'm going to keep this because I thought it wasn't strong enough, but it is. It's really great. It's great quality. So I'm going to be making some cheese enchiladas with my cheese, and I just wanted to see what this thing could do. Well, I'm really happy with the results. So I'll show you later what my enchiladas how they came out. Okay, well everyone have a great day. I'll see you on my next video.